Hey guys, we are going to convert a repeating decimal to a fraction today. So when I have 0.55 with this line above it, that line tells me that this 5 literally goes on forever. Obviously, we can't write 5 forever, so we put that line on top. Now, because it repeats forever, we can't use our typical strategy of turning a decimal to a fraction. We need to use a different strategy, and that's what we're going to show you right now. For this strategy, the first thing I'm going to do is just set my decimal equal to a variable. So I'm going to say x equals 0.55 repeating. That's allowed. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by 10 on both sides of this equation. So when I do that, I get 10x equals, multiplying by 10 up here is going to move my decimal over one spot. So I will have 5.55 repeating. All right, this next part's gonna look like it's math illegal, but it's actually not, and I'll explain why. We are going to subtract x from this side of our equation. We're also going to subtract x from this side of our equation, but remember what x equals. X equals 0.55 repeating. So I'm subtracting the same thing from both sides. They just look a little different, but because they're equal to each other, we're okay. So when I do that, 10x minus an x gives me 9x. And then our repeating is gone, which is what we wanted. So I'm just left with 5 over here. And now this is looking very doable. I just want to get x alone, so I'm going to divide by 9 on both sides. And I end up with x equals 5/9. So 0.55 repeating converted to a fraction is 5/9. Now, if you want to double check, pull out your calculator. We can go ahead and do 5 divided by 9. And we get 0.555, lots of 5s and then a 6. My calculator rounds it because it can't show the 5 going on forever. But this is 0.5 repeating. All right, I hope this was helpful. If you need some more repeating decimals turned into fraction videos, I'll have a playlist linked. I've got ones there where more than one number repeats. We've got a number out front. We've got lots of different examples over there if you need to check that out. Thanks.